Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Ethereum. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis about 24 hours ago, so that's where the red line up there is coming from, and that's 350, and that still definitely pertains to the chart going forward. Remember, crypto markets are open 24/7, so going forward means many things in the sense of, if you're watching this video 15 hours from now, the chart is going to look a little bit different for you. So that's why I want to talk about more so broad levels and then map out general overall questions that'll keep this video as relevant to you for as long as possible. And really the first question to ask yourself when you pull up this video and are watching it is, where does the price stand relative to 235? If the price is still down below 235, well, then nothing has really changed in the sense of it's not like the bulls have shown any sorts of strength. Right now, sure, they've shown some strength via the fact that the price has at least just started to go sideways. But as far as any sort of upward strength, like I said, if you are answering the question that the price is still below 235, then yeah, there just simply hasn't been any upward strength. Now, if you are answering, well, actually, yeah, the price is above 235, then that's certainly a step in the right direction. The next question you would want to ask yourself is, where's the price relative to 250? And if somehow the price is actually up above 250 when you're watching this, that would just tell you that at that moment in time, the bulls have really started to turn things around and that they're making quite a charge to the upwards direction. Yeah, there'd still be other areas of resistance to get through, but if it can get above 250, that would definitely be a great step in the right direction, although I'd be pretty shocked to see, if that were to actually occur. But then again, given just how nasty the movement has been, who knows, maybe there might be some sort of snapback rally. On the flip side of things, so if you're answering the question that the price is actually still below 235, that would by default, right, make it still below 250. But then the next overall question is, all right, well, let's make sure that, the bleeding hasn't continued. And what do I mean by continued? Well, that's where that $210 mark comes into play, which is that green line down there. Simply put, that's where the price has stopped bleeding over the past, several hours right there. So again, if you're answering that question of, well, actually the price is down below 210 right now, that would just imply that not only are the bears still in full control, they've gained that much more control and momentum as far as the overall story is concerned. So we'll see what happens with it, but definitely a lot of stuff going on with the cryptos right now. So we'll see if this is any sort of bottom taking shape or if this is just a pause before the bears resume their push downwards. We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.